Hello friends, in the current video tutorial, I'm going to talk about benefits of immutability of strings in Python. So the first advantage of immutability of strings is that the strings are thread safe, so they can be used at those places where you want that your data cannot be changed by multiple threads concurrently. So in those locations, strings are inherently thread safe because their state cannot be changed by multiple threads acting concurrently on that particular string. Second is predictability. The predictability is increased because there will not be any unexpected change in the string if another part of your program holds a reference to it. So this is the second point. So the next benefit of strings immutability is that they can be used in dictionaries as keys and elements in sets. Requirement is that keys must not change with time and they must be unique, and similarly the elements in sets must be unique and they must not change with time, and this requirement can be done by using strings as keys and elements in sets. Last but not the least, string immutability can be used for memory and storage optimization. Performance optimization is achieved due to immutability. Immutable objects facilitate certain performance optimization such as caching hash values for quick dictionary lookups, since the dictionary keys are unique and they are immutable because of strings being immutable, and similarly memory efficiency is achieved since the objects are immutable, cannot change their value. Python can optimize memory usage reusing the same immutable object across the program whenever possible, reduces memory using the reference memory IDs given to various strings having the same content and using them. So that comes to the end of the video. I hope you have understood the concept of benefits of immutability of strings in Python. I hope you have liked this video, and thanks for watching this video.